2017 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, bucket seats, CD player, passenger airbag, rear head airbag, intermittent wipers, auxiliary audio input, variable speed intermittent wipers, cloth seats, privacy glass, rear wheel drive, steel wheels. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.